Okay, children, welcome back. We continue ahead with the properties of the triangles where we already discussed the median, the altitude of a triangle, then we did the angle sum property. Yes, the sum of all the three interior angles is always equal to 180 degree. And then we did the exterior angle property, the sum of two interior angles, two opposite interior angles is equal to the exterior angle of a triangle. Then we did the two special triangles, that is equilateral and isosceles triangle. Yes. Today again we do another new property, and this property is about the measurement of the triangle. So like for example, just assume that this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. This is a triangle ABC and this is a triangle DEF, and this is 3 centimeter, or you can say this is 2 centimeter, and this is 1 centimeter, and this is also again 2 centimeter. Okay, or let's just discuss about it first and foremost. So if you add any two sides of the triangle, like if I add AB plus AC, 3 plus 4, what is the answer? 7. Is it greater than the third side? Is it greater than the third side? Yes. Here also, if I add 2 and 1, any two sides, is it greater than the third side? Yes. So this is a new property. In a triangle, the measurement of any two sides is always greater than the third side. If you sum these two, 3 plus 5 will be 8. 8 is greater than 4. So this is a new property. Got it? Now suppose you have a triangle with a suppose three measurements are given, 3 sides. Like for example, 1 is given, 2 is given, and 5 is given. Okay. So if you add these two, 3, is it coming to 5? No. Is it greater than 5? No. That means this type of measurement for a triangle is not possible. Okay. So in a triangle, this is a new property. In a triangle, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. The sum of, in a triangle, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Clear? The third side. So on the basis of this property, we are going to solve the next exercise. Let's go ahead and continue. Exercise 6.4. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Let's see. 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So any two sides in a triangle, we've already studied the new property. In a triangle, the sum of any two sides should be always greater than the third side. अब आप अगर ये दोनों को use कर लो, 3 plus 5 is 8 is greater than 2. But if you use these two, it is not greater than 5, right? So it is not possible. In this, the triangle is not possible. So you need to check all those parts. Clear? You need to check all the of any two sides is always greater than the third side. You can write like this. Okay? Any two sides is always greater than the third side. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and here is 5 and 5. So it is not greater, no? Not greater. Not greater. In place of sign, we will write not greater. So what is the answer? Answer is what? Not possible, because it is not satisfying the property. Okay? So this completes A. Then we do B. 3, 6 and 7. 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Again, we use the property 3 plus 6. 9. 9 is greater than 7? Yes. So it is possible this way. Now we do these two. 6 plus 7? 13 greater than 3? Yes, possible. Now we do these two. 3 plus 7? 10 greater than 6? Yes. We did all the three ways. Okay. So it is possible. So you write the same thing in a triangle. The sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, so 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter should be greater than 7 centimeter. That is 9 is greater than 7. So yes, possible. Here it is possible. Then we do the C1. C is 632. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is greater than 2. Yes, possible. 3 plus 2, 5. Greater than 6? No. So here, one way it is not satisfying. So answer is not possible. So in a triangle, the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. So 3 plus 2 not greater than 6. 5 not greater than 6. So not possible. Okay. So this completes C. Okay. Then we have to do D. Sorry, D is not there. Question number 2. Then we start with question number 2. So take any point O in the interior of the triangle PQR. So this is given, it's a triangle PQR. So already it's a triangle, that means it will satisfy the property. The sum of any two angles is always, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. So this is P, this is Q, and this is R. This is O. Take any point O. Better we are joining, okay? Yeah. Now you have to prove, is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? So the first one is greater than PQ. So OP, who is OP? OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Yes, if you form this as a triangle, in triangle POQ, What are the two sides? Right now we are talking about this triangle. What are the two sides? OP, OQ is greater than PQ. Hence, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Got it? So yes, we have proved. Yes, this is what? This is yes, because this is a triangle POQ, which is the interior part of triangle PRQ, and PRQ is already said that it is a triangle. That means it is satisfying the property sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Similarly, POQ will also satisfy the property that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, so this completes the first one, that is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. You can see OP plus OQ is greater than the third side. So this is the first one. Let's do the second one. OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR greater than QR. Greater than QR. Where is OQ? Here. OQ plus OR is greater than the QR. Yes. Why? Because this is a triangle QOR. Okay. So again, in triangle QOR, the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Hence, OQ plus OR will be greater than QR. Then OR, OP, RP. OR, OP is greater than RP. OR, OP, here you can see OR, OP and RP. So this is a given triangle. Now since it is the part of the triangle PQR, so hence this is also a triangle. Hence the sum of any two sides will be equal to the third side. Got it? So we'll write the same thing. Since the sum of any two sides, so what will be the triangle name? It was here, na? ROP. In triangle ROP, the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. That is, we will write the same thing, OR plus OP, which will be greater than RP. Hence, we have proved all the three conditions. So this completes question number 2. We start with question number 3. AM is the median. Now what is a median? Median is the line segment which passes from the vertex, it starts from the vertex and touches the midpoint of the side which is opposite to the vertex. So AM is a median of a triangle ABC. So from AM till to AM. So let's make the diagram. This is A, this is B, this is C, somewhere here, this is N. So AM is what? greater than 2 am, greater than 2 am. Okay, so there is a greater than sign in between. So jab you will see the greater than sign in between, you understand that you have to use the property sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, तो हम यही property को use करके solve करेंगे. Okay, and find out करेंगे whether AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2 am or not. Now, since am is the median, it has divided the triangle into two parts. Yes, you can see this triangle ABM and triangle AMC or ACM, any triangle you can name. है ना, दो अलग अलग ट्रायंगल में थे. So we prove the property of the triangle. The just now the fresh property we studied, that is sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, we use that property and then we see whether we can find out whatever is asked or not. Okay, so let's start. Here it is already given. There is a hint. Consider the sides of triangle ABM and AMC. ABM and AMC. So let's start with this triangle ABM. इसमें हम पहले प्रूफ करेंगे, फिर हम ट्रायंगल AMC में प्रूफ करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ट्रायंगल ABM. इन ट्रायंगल ABM, so AB plus BM should be greater than AM. AM को हम यही रखेंगे, क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे प्रूफ में जो इक्वेशन है, what equation we have got, we see that in that equation AM is on the right hand side, so we put AM on the right hand side. So AM को we put on the right hand side, rest of the two sides we put on the left hand side, and we write here sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, इस प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करते हुए हमने ये लिखा है. Okay, now this is about triangle ABM, so we make it as equation 1. Okay, now we go to triangle AMC. So now we write again in triangle AMC. In triangle AMC, here AMC, again हम AM को राइट साइड पे रख दें. यस, राइट साइड पे रख दें. So what is left then? AC and CM. So AC plus CM, AC plus CM should be what? Greater than AM. We write this sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Now, if you add these two equations, तो यहाँ पे AM plus AM हो जाएगा. AM plus AM, that is 2AM. That means you are getting your right side का equation. Whatever is the proof, मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ क्या हमको प्रूफ करना है. That is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Here you see. So if you add these two equations, AM plus AM will give you 2AM. So let's see. Add करके, so you can write here adding 1 and 2. Now you add 1 and 2, यानी कि AB plus BM plus AC plus CM greater than AM plus AM. Okay, now AB मिल गया हमको, ये AC मिल गया हमको. So BM plus CM plus AC is greater than AM plus AM is 2AM. Now just see the figure. Okay, see the figure. I have erased the figure, so I am making it once again. Here, this was the figure. A, B, C or M. Now you see BM plus MC. BM, yeah, BM plus MC or CM you can say. BM plus CM. मिलके क्या बना रहे हैं? BC बना रहे हैं. So if we add these two, what we will get? BC, correct? So let's add them. AB plus BC plus CA or AC, whatever you want to write, is greater than 2AM. Yes? Yes or no? So we see that we have proved कि is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM or not. तो हमने क्या किया? हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया. What did we do? We have used the property. Which property? Sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. And how did we come to know that we have to use this property? कैसे पता चला? Question से पता चल गया. कैसे question से पता चल गया? Greater than sign. We are writing this greater than sign everywhere ना, wherever we are using the property. बस इसको देखा तो पता चल गया कि we have to use this property. Clear? So this completes question number 3. Going ahead with question number 4. Starting with question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Again we have to prove something. What we have to prove? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. You can see what sign has come? Greater than sign has come. That means क्या करेंगे फिर से हम यही प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करके सॉल्व करेंगे. So let us start now. So let's make the diagram. First and foremost, what is the ABCD is a quadrilateral. So here is the quadrilateral. Don't think that it is a rectangle. Okay, it is a quadrilateral only. So this is a quadrilateral where AC and BD are what? AC and BD are diagonals. Now you can see these diagonals are dividing the quadrilateral into different triangles. Yes. So from there we can make the triangles and we can start. That's why we made this diagonals. अगर हम ये diagonals नहीं बनाएंगे तो कैसे use करेंगे property? Can't be, ना, because it is not a triangle. So let us make it a triangle. So to make it a triangle, what to do? We make the diagonals. Okay then, now we got the diagonals. Here you write ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD, क्योंकि हमने थोड़ा सा construction किया है, right? So you need to explain. ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay, this completes the construction work. Now let us start. Now we assume our first triangle. Okay, we start with our first triangle, that is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC. Let's take this one. So in triangle ABC, what is this side? AC is this side, ना? AC is this side on the right side. So इसको हम right side पे रखेंगे तो AB plus BC is greater than the third side, that is AC. Okay, and we write here sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, and we got our equation 1. वहां पे बनाना था, I don't have place, so I am just making like this. This is my equation 1. So this is triangle ABC. We completed for ABC. Then we start for the next, that is triangle BDC. ये एक triangle, फिर ये BDC. Triangle in triangle BDC, again see what is the right, what should be on the right side. BD should be on the right side. BD should be on the right side, so we take BC plus CD. BC plus CD is greater than what? Is greater than BD. We write the same thing. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, and this comes out to be our equation 2. Equation 2, AC plus BD. AC कहाँ है? AC plus BD. If we add 1 and 2, are we getting? We are getting AB plus BC plus CD और DA बचा है अभी. We have to go to CA and for CA and CD. CD is left. So now we take another triangle, that is triangle A. We took this triangle, ये वाला हो गया, ये वाला हो गया, अब ये वाला triangle, ठीक है? So triangle ABC. How we took ABC? Now we take ABC.